Hello from Las Vegas.
See you later.
Hello, beautiful people. I'm waiting for my co-travelers here at San Francisco International Airport before going inside. Excited to meet my co-travelers here. Off to Las Vegas soon. Hi, there's my co-travelers. Co-traveling with Myra is entertaining, and even the woman next to me finds her dancing enjoyable. We had a layover at San Diego Airport, which I learned during our trip because two boarding passes we had. Let's go, beautiful people, to go through TSA security checks. Time check is 10:30 and this is Josephine, Marjorie, Myra the entertainer. Now we are boarding. Our letter is C, so we need to check our carry-on luggage due to a full overhead bin. FYI, passengers flying with Southwest Airlines should be aware that their ticket will be contain information about which boarding group they belong to, indicated by the letters ABC, so it's important to check this before approaching the gate. Also, they don't have the priority seat number.
And ladies and gentlemen, if you're sitting by a window, if you could kindly lower your window shade, it keeps the aircraft comfortable for us as we're sitting here. Again, we need all window shades closed at this time. Thank you. And flight test, please disarm doors for arrival. Cross check.
here. We just landed at San Diego Airport and it's time for lunch. We will be having our meal here in the airport. After enjoying a delicious lunch, they went shopping for some souvenirs to take back home as a memories of their trip. After our lunch and shopping, we need to exit the airport and head back to the TSA security checkpoint where we'll be required to undergo another round of screening before being allowed to re-enter the terminal. Just landed at Harry Reid International Airport here in Las Vegas, beautiful people. Do you know, beautiful people, at the Harry Reid International Airport in Las Vegas, it's undeniable that this is Las Vegas due to the presence of slot machines in the airport. So we're heading to the baggage claim. See you later. So we're here at the baggage claim waiting for our luggage. Photo bomber. Hey. All set. Let's head to our hotel now that we have our luggage. We will head to the parking area. We'll call for an Uber there to bring us straight to the hotel. After a long journey, we had reached our accommodation at Cesar's Palace Hotel and Casino. Our fellow traveler Arnold is expected to arrive later tonight at 8 p.m. because he has a different flight from us. Welcome to Las Vegas, beautiful people. I'm here with friends for a 3-day and 2-night getaway. We need to distress from work and enjoy all that this city has to offer. Exploring the area of Cesar's Palace Hotel, our curiosity led us to discover its impressive surroundings adorned with magnificent sculptures and ornaments. Our initial plan during our first night in Las Vegas was to go to an old town called Old Las Vegas, where my co-travelers wanted to try the beef steak at Tony's restaurant. It is easy to get there via Uber. However, I stayed for a few minutes before leaving my companions behind as their fear of riding on helicopter led me to take advantage of this opportunity. arrived on time at the Maverick Helicopters office where I needed to check in for my flight here. Upon completing my check-in with the cashier, I received a group number and instructions to take a seat and await the arrival of the pilot. The group number assigned to me was 3, and I observed that there were only a handful of individuals present in the waiting area at that moment. The facility is clean, and I used the immaculate restroom before we flew and restored myself with water from their small store that sells essentials like candies and more. Shuttle upgrade option for hotels within 5 minutes radius of the Las Vegas Strip terminal. Another option is to take Uber as I did. It's very easy to get there from Old Las Vegas. Don't forget to bring valid ID for all the passengers over 18 years old. You know, beautiful people, I can't wait to experience the excitement of riding in a helicopter. Why? It's because I'm getting ready for one-of-a-kind adventure. Our luxury Airbus helicopter tour over Las Vegas offers breathtaking views, comfortable leather theater-style seating, and maximum visibility through wrapped-around glass windows. Don't miss out on this unforgettable 12-15-minute experience. And the guests will be introduced to their experienced pilot and escorted to the helicopter for a briefing. By the way, I visited Maverick Helicopters website to book my ticket in advance, which cost me $139 including tax and a $20 tip for the pilot's excellent service. Here we go, beautiful people. Let's fly high.
Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world and keep the sky on your mind. but we'll see it through. Get on board. We're smiling on top of the world. Dangerous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world but keep the sky on your mind. Flying, get on board. We're smiling on top of the
Thank you.
Hey, thank you very much. Mike.
Mike, feeling enriched after flying, I proceeded to the store with excitement, eager to collect my stunning souvenir picture with a gorgeous frame. And that's it. After riding the helicopter, I returned to old Las Vegas because my companions were still there, so I opted for dinner at that location. Our dinner plans for the following day include dining at that tower. That's the Strat Tower Hotel and Casino. Having safely arrived, we're now off to indulge in an appetizing dinner at a local establishment. Of course, I want to try the steak here also. Actually, it's Marjorie's birthday too. Yes, I order steak. It's yummy. Let's eat, beautiful people. After completing my evening meal, we took a leisurely walk before returning to our accommodation. However, we decided to stop by the hotel to freshen up before exploring the strip. Also, we need to meet up with Arnel and begin our adventure at the strip. People, ang gulo-gulo na. After, hindi pa nga after a day. Nandito na kaming lahat. Oh. Si Arnel, dumating na. Late ang flight. Iba kasi yung flight na yung time mo. Yan si Maya. Ayun ang isa of pagod na yung aming dambuhala. Cha! I-edit mo. Oh, maglulumlum na. Maglilimlim na siya kasi kumain ba naman ng tatlong steak. Foodie. Strolling around the luxurious Bellagio Hotel and Casino, we are drawn to the magnificent fountains of Bellagio Show, where the Star-Spangled Song fills the air with its powerful melody.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rocket's red glare, the bombs bursting in air,
day in Las Vegas was filled with a foodie-focused journey during the daytime, from enjoying scrumptious breakfasts to indulging in motoring, lunches, and satisfying snacks. We made sure to immerse ourselves in all things edible. However, when it came time for dinner at Strat Casino Hotel and Tower, or Strat, Josephine opted out of joining us due to conflicting interests. Because she's very full, my beautiful people. We booked in advance for better seats or window view, which cost $25 per person as reservation fee. Good thing we did it because even Josephine wasn't around and the Strat reservation is refundable within 7 working days. The cost of food can vary greatly depending on personal preferences and the factors that make it palatable for each individual. In our case, we paid a total of $230 for our meals plus an additional reservation fee, bringing the overall cost to $330, which was divided among us as part of our practice here. So what matters most is we had an amazing time and created lasting memories during my double celebration in Las Vegas. It was my birthday and I have been in America for 2 decades. Thank you Allah for all the blessing you have given me. On the other hand, it is truly an incredible experience to have dinner at the top of the world restaurant with exquisite cuisine and breathtaking view from the top of the towering skyscraper. This award-winning restaurant is situated on level 106 of the Strat Hotel, Casino, and Tower, over 800 feet above Las Vegas. Take note, a strict dress code is in place with no sweatpants, hoodies, or athletic wear allowed. See their website for full details. To sum up our dinner experience with a rotating floor, we had a definite full view of the city. So, beautiful people, enjoy and watch these hyperlapse that I made during our dinner.
Tell me, how will you believe? So 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 tell me, how will you believe?
Yes, thank you, beautiful people. And I truly hope that you had an amazing time accompanying us on this incredible adventure and that the memories we created together through this vlog will last a lifetime. Once again, thank you for watching. God bless us all. Catch you later.